Hi, my name is Daniel, and in this video I'll show you how to create a video carousel and add it to a durable website. Let's get started. The video carousel is a great addition to any website. To start, enter Common Ninja website. Choose your widget from our large collection of widgets. And once you've entered the widget page, click on the Create button to enter the video carousel editor. In the editor, you can edit the video content and add your videos. You can select a layout and customize the video carousel look and feel, and change the settings. When you're done, click the Save Changes button to save your work. If you don't have an account on Common Ninja yet, you'll have to register first. When you're ready to add the video carousel to your website, go back to the dashboard. Now, on the dashboard, you'll see the widget you've created. Click on the Add to Website button. In the window that opens, copy the code and close the window. Remember, you can always return to the widget and keep on editing it. Now, let's head to the Durable Editor. In the Durable Editor, select Add Section at the location where you desire to place the widget on the page. Select the Embed section type. And in the new section you've added, click on the Edit button. Now, in the code window, simply paste the widget code you've copied before. Please note, the widget content will only show on the published site. Click on Save to close the code window. And that's it. Now, the video carousel will show on your website.